Is your DoorDash app stuck on the map screen? It's a common problem related to how the app uses your phone's GPS for real-time location tracking. This issue often arises from problems with geolocation services and software-hardware integration. The app relies on GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular data to pinpoint locations, but cached data or satellite lock failures can cause the map to freeze. Before getting into advanced steps, first ensure you have a stable internet connection. Next, restart the DoorDash app. If the problem persists, try toggling your device's location services off and on. Many users report this quick reset resolves the issue immediately. In the app, look for a Refresh Location button if available, as this clears temporary GPS cache. These initial steps address the most common causes of the map freezing and are the quickest to implement. If a simple restart doesn't fix the problem, check DoorDash's location permissions. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, DoorDash, and Permissions to ensure location access is set to Always Allow. On iOS, navigate to Privacy and Security, then Location Services to confirm DoorDash has Always Allow permission for location access. Next, ensure your DoorDash app is up to date. Outdated versions often have GPS integration bugs. Enable auto updates in your App Store to prevent future issues. Looking ahead, DoorDash is developing AI-driven diagnostics to automatically fix GPS problems. They're also partnering with mapping services like TomTom for improved offline map support. If issues persist, check for conflicts with other apps like Google Maps. Try clearing app cache or resetting network settings to resolve device-specific problems.